Chapter 12: Air, Water and Weather. Our Earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called atmosphere. What does air contain? Air contains gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen, water vapor, dust and smoke. Air has oxygen. Human beings and animals rely on oxygen to survive and in turn give out carbon dioxide. Oxygen supports burning. If this gas were not there, we would not have been able to cook our food. Let us do an activity to prove that oxygen is present in air. Task 1. Take a burning candle. Carefully cover the candle with a glass jar. Observe what happens to the candle. Let us discuss what actually happened in the above activity. When the jar was placed over the candle, it continued to burn for a while. It kept burning till oxygen was available inside the jar. Once the oxygen inside the jar got finished, the candle got extinguished. This shows that oxygen supports burning. Fascinating facts. Plants release oxygen during daytime and carbon dioxide during nighttime. Eco-friendly tip. Petrol and diesel produces carbon dioxide and smoke. But CNG, compressed natural gas, doesn't produce smoke. Thus, CNG is an eco-friendly fuel. Task 2. Take some lime water in a glass. Using straw, blow air into the glass. Make sure that you do not drink the lime water. Blow air about 6 to 7 times and observe the color of the lime water. What is the color of the lime water? It is milky white. Air has carbon dioxide. In the above activity, you must have noted that the lime water turned milky. When we blew air into the straw, we gave out carbon dioxide gas. Lime water has the property to turn milky when it reacts with carbon dioxide gas. Air has nitrogen. Air contains nitrogen than any other gas. We use nitrogen as fuel for rockets. Air pollution. Dust and smoke are impurities present in the air. They are unwanted substances which make the air impure. These unwanted substances are called pollutants. When the air gets impure because of these pollutants, it is said to be polluted. Water. Our planet is called a blue planet because a large part of it is covered with water. However, only a small portion of this water is available as fresh water. This fresh water is required by all the living beings to live. Humans need water to drink, cook food, bath and wash. They also need water for carrying out farming and industrial activities. Farmers need water to irrigate their crops. In industries, water is required to carry out processes. Animals need water to drink. Plants need water to carry out the process of photosynthesis. Since water is in limited supply, we need to use it judiciously. Water cycle. Do you know that the water that you are drinking today is the same water which was used by dinosaurs thousands of years ago? This is because water keeps getting recycled. The water circulates between land, atmosphere and water bodies is an ongoing process called water cycle. The water cycle is also known as hydrological cycle. There are 4 steps in the water cycle. They are as follows: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection. Evaporation. The heat of the sun causes water on earth in rivers, sea, oceans, lakes, etc. to evaporate. The water evaporates to form water vapors. The process by which the water changes from its liquid form to gaseous form is called evaporation. The water vapors rise in the sky. Condensation. As water vapors rise in the sky, they begin to cool down and change into small water droplets. The process by which the water changes from its gaseous form to liquid form is called condensation. The water droplets collect to form clouds. Precipitation. When there is too much accumulation of water in the clouds become heavy. They are unable to hold the water droplets and so they burst open. Water falls from the sky in the form of rain. The process by which the water falls back to earth in the form of snow, hail, or sleet is called precipitation. Collection. When it rains, water falls on earth and fills the rivers and lakes once again. This water also gets stored under the ground and is called groundwater. The rest of the water flows into the oceans. Water from the seas, oceans, and lakes eventually evaporates and the cycle again continues. Hence, in this way, water keeps circulating through the earth's land, water, and atmosphere. Fascinating facts. A rainbow is a short-term phenomena which takes place when the sunlight reflects the raindrops in the air and scatters the colors. Weather and seasons. What is weather? Our planet Earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called atmosphere. The condition of the atmosphere changes every day. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a particular place and at a particular time. Weather forecasting and its uses. Weather forecasting is a science in which the weather is predicted using various scientific tools. Weather is forecasted every day. People who do weather forecasting are called meteorologists. Uses of weather forecasting. Weather forecasting is a special job. Scientists tell the people about the conditions of weather at that place every day. They use some special tools for this purpose. Weather forecasting helps us to plan our activities. Weather forecasting is very important for farmers. It helps them to plan their plantation and harvesting activities. Weather forecasting is important for aviation industry. For example, if heavy thunderstorms and winds are forecasted, then they can choose to reschedule their flights. Factors affecting weather. The weather depends on many factors like sunlight, temperature, wind speed and direction, humidity, etc. These factors are known as forecast indicators. Fascinating facts. In earlier days, thunderstorm or lightning was taken as fury of God. Sunshine. We know that during afternoon, the sun shines directly overhead. The rays are directly falling on the earth. However, during evening time, the sun is low in the sky. The rays of the sun are slanting. It means that sun doesn't heat the earth evenly throughout the day. Temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness of the atmosphere is known as atmospheric temperature. The temperature of the atmosphere changes throughout the day. In fact, at a given time, the different parts of the world may have different temperatures. This happens because our Earth is not flat but geoid in shape. So, the sun rays do not fall uniformly on the Earth's surface. Hence, heating is also not uniform. Wind speed and direction. The moving air is called wind. When winds are very strong, we call them storms. When the wind is gentle, it is called breeze. While we all enjoy the breeze, storms can be violent or devastating. Humidity. Humidity is a term for the amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere. When the amount of water vapor is more in the atmosphere, we say that the humidity is high. For example, during the rainy season, the weather is very humid. We feel sticky. Even the clothes take a long time to dry during this weather. Seasons. The term season is used to describe changing weather conditions that are caused by revolution of the earth around the sun. There are 6 seasons. They are Shishira, Vasanta, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemanta. Shishira is the colder winter season. January and February are the months of Shishira season. We wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. Woolen clothes are made up of wool. We like to drink hot fluids to keep ourselves warm. For example, hot soup, hot coffee, etc. We use heaters or bonfires to keep warm. Vasanta is the spring season. March and April are the months of Vasanta season. New flowers bloom and new leaves grow on trees. It is a pleasant and lovely season. In this season, the days grow longer and the nights get shorter. Grishma is the summer season. May and June are the months of Grishma season. It is very hot. We wear light colored cotton clothes. We enjoy having cold drinks, ice creams, etc. We like to stay indoors and use fan, cooler or AC. We like to go swimming. Varsha is the rainy season. It is rainy almost the entire season. July and August are the months of Varsha season. Before it rains, the sky is full of dark clouds. When the rain stops, you can see a rainbow in the sky. We use umbrellas or raincoats in this season. Sharad is the autumn season. September and October are the months of Sharad season. This season is also called fall season because most of the trees shed their leaves during this season. Compared to the rainy season, the sky is clearer and you can see a clear moon and stars in the night. Hemanta is the winter season. It is very cold. November and December are the months of Hemanta season. We wear woolen clothes, use blankets or quilts at night, and like to have hot drinks like tea or coffee. Days are getting shorter compared to nights and it gets colder and foggier at night. Key terms: groundwater, water stored under the ground, recycled, getting used again and again. Weather, condition of the atmosphere of a particular place at a particular time. Weather forecasting, a science in which weather is predicted. Let's sum up. Our atmosphere has oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water vapors and dust particles. Water keeps circulating through Earth's land, water and atmosphere. This is called water cycle. In India, we have three main seasons: summer, monsoon, and winter. Some parts of our country have three more seasons: autumn, fall, and spring.